So I developed tendinitis, and I thought it would go away with rest, but it didn't. And one day I woke up with so much pain that I could not go to work, and that's when I called Dr. Nagler, and he recommended that I do the laser treatment for relief. I found Dr. Nagler about 4 years ago when I had a lot of pain in my right foot, and I went to 8 doctors. No one could identify what was wrong with me, and it was Dr. Nagler who finally identified that I had complex regional pain syndrome, and he actually saved my life. And so I was sent to him because I was misdiagnosed with tarsal tunnel syndrome, and he was supposed to do my surgery. But when he saw my symptoms and the way I was reacting, he told me that I did not have tarsal tunnel and that I was with the wrong professional, and he directed me to the right professionals. So complex regional pain syndrome is a nervous system dysfunction, so I was eventually treated with spine shots and things like that. But Dr. Nagler did start off my treatment here with some shots that he gave me in my foot. And in fact, if he would have performed surgery, I would have been disabled right now. So that's why I say that he saved my life, because he knew what to do.
Right.
It was very simple. There was no pain, no pinching like needles. Nothing touched me. It was quick. I would come in, lay down, they would position me, they would position the laser, and I would be sitting there doing my thing on my phone, and then I would leave. So in my case, because my body is very different and my nervous system is not functioning the way it should, the doctor recommended 6 sessions for me, but when they didn't work, he still wanted to continue, and I found relief after 8 sessions. He's so nurturing. It almost seems like he's not doing this as a professional, but that he really, really wants to help people, you know. There was an instant connection, and obviously he has a soft spot in my heart because he saved my life.